What's up guys, welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making our homemade coffee creamer. I'm in my pajamas because it's early, but I need a cup of coffee and we're out of creamer, so let's get started. First, we're going to put 2 cups of sugar into our saucepan. We use sugar in the raw. We've tried other sugars before, but this one just tastes the best to us. Now you take 1 cup of water and put that in with the sugar. Now you're gonna turn this on a medium-high heat, and you wanna whisk it until the sugar is dissolved and it gets to a rolling boil. My baby's awake. No. While we're waiting for this to get to a rolling boil, we're gonna get 1.5 cups of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar in our measuring cup. Now we're gonna pour our milk and vanilla in. You want the whole container of heavy whipping cream, 16 ounces. Now that it's done, we do what my husband calls siphoning into our creamer container. Let us know if you want to see a video on how to do this siphoning. Now I'm going to show you how I make my coffee. First, you want to fill the bottom half up to this little knob. Next, you put this in. I like my coffee with just 2 scoops. We use Cafe Bustelo. And you just want to pat the coffee grounds down. Now you twist the top on. And you put that on the eye. I'm gonna be using my coffee mug that my husband got me for Mother's Day. It's the cutest. Look, that's you. I like to put my mushrooms in with my coffee. You just want 1 scoop of your chaga. Now you just wait for your first drip of coffee to come out, and you'll put that in with your chaga. And then you just return that back onto the stove. I just mix that together, and then I add in my creamer to my chaga. And now I froth that together. Now you add your coffee. The handle's a little hot. There you have it, the perfect cup of coffee. Let's try it. Wow, that's a thumbs up from me. If you like the content you saw today, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.